saying I'm using the router box. When I use the phone stuff in the phone, it it's not good. It's crappy and vape juice, fruit flavor. Let's see. I guess there just ain't nobody out there except for Justin. Yeah, I understand cell phone service has. Yeah, the cell phone service here is crap. I got Verizon on this thing. It's Obama phone. It works. It ain't that choppy if you just stand real still, but if you start going like this, moving it around, yeah, there's my Madison up here, up there in my 2000. This is one of the first 2000s that I got off of Snake Radios Incorporated. It was the cleanest one that he said at that time that he had it, and I got it. Philippines. It's never been messed with. It's not going to be. Yeah, yeah, those are pretty nice. I like them. The Madison's an old. It's an 8719 chip radio, but it's got the green rolling clock. Let's see. Let me uh, let me turn it on. Oh man, I need to clean up everything. Yeah, it's pretty nice. I ain't got the 148 plug. 148. I don't got the 2000 plugged in. I'm using this mic here. Yeah. So let's see. They don't work that long. Yeah, I don't know. Now I got to figure out. This is just a test stream, short. I need to figure out how to save the stream. Now I don't know how to do that yet. So if I go off the air, I go off the air. But I'm going to try some stuff here to not end the stream, but well, end it and but save it because I need to figure out how to do that. Because why do a stream if you don't save it? Unless you don't want to save it, you know. So let's see. Let me start pushing some buttons here. I like the old radios. I used to have a whole bunch of them back in the day, and now I'm collecting them. Oh, yeah, me too. Back in '95, when I worked in, first started turning screwdrivers in them, I had a Royce, little Royce, like that one Stingray had on his video. That Stingray guy, the bump bump guy. Yeah, he had a Royce there, the last one, and that was the Royce that I first put a golden screwdriver in. An old little 23 channel, little tiny, the smallest one they had, I think Royce did. And I threw it all off kilter, and it took me like 4 hours to put it back on. And that's how I learned how to do it. Got to learn some way, and that's how I learned. Uh, okay, so let me figure this out. And and see if I can't. Okay, push